Okay, good afternoon, guys. We are having something on our table here. As you can see, it's what? Binomial expansion. So, for those of you that are doing mathematics pure, this is what actually we are dealing with for today. So, when we talk of binomial expansion, definitely we are talking about calculating the sum of two different terms. Now, let us base to the question. So, before we answer the question, let me just try to give some statistics here. So, if we say any factorial, any it can mean what? Any number which you can put there. So let us try to say if it's 1 factorial. Simply mean we are going to say 1 times 1, which is going to give us what? 1. So if we say 2 factorial, which is going to give us what? 2 times 1, which is equal to what? 2. Okay, wow. How about 3 factorial? So 3 factorial simply mean we are going to say 3 times 2 times 1, which is going to give us what? 6. So just more like what we are just descending by what? By 1. 3, 2, 1. We're just descending what? By 1. So that's why it say 4 factorial. This is going to give us 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is going to give us what? 24. Wow. So we are there. So simply meaning this n is what? Is it descending by 1. So if we have already known that n is descending by 1, then let us try to go back to the question. So we are saying any factorial is given by any minus 1 and then any minus 2. So like in this case, it is descending what? Up to 2. So the highest number here is what? Is 2. So when we want to factorize this one, remember this has been what? Has been descending what? By 1. So for us for us to simplify what is on top, this is just same as saying any open any minus 1 and then any minus 2. You can even say any minus 3, n minus 4, but since the highest what is 2, so you can just say we end here to what it to be factorial, which is over what I've been given here, which is any minus 1 and then any minus 2, like that. So after reaching there, I'm sure you're home and dry there. So this is just by saying what are the common things which actually reflecting twice here. This is reflecting twice with this one, this will go, this one and this one will go. Henceforth, we're just going to remain what? With any factorial. So this simply means if we say any factorial over any minus 1 and then any minus 2, because mathematics you have to be concluding each and every time. So this is given by what? By any factorial. So to simplify this one, it has to give you what? Any factorial. So basing to what we have been doing, actually it's just the matter of having the positive mindset is not even difficult. If you have got more questions concerning this topic, this is the introduction of binomial expansion. Please go in the comment section and say we are following, so that you will be able to switch to our YouTube channel. See you there.